How often do your cases go to trial? Are they resolved frequently before trial? Also, have you seen, is there a penalty if your client wants to go to trial? Do the judges get annoyed and deal with you more harshly? Attorney Brian Geno explains, I would say that more than half the time, the cases are resolved without going to trial, but I probably go to trial more often than most lawyers. I hate to put a number on it, but it seems to me I go to trial every couple of weeks on somebody's case. My general impression is, all things being equal, if you don't know what to do, you're going to go to trial. I urge my clients to have the confidence to do that. As far as being penalized for going to trial, I've heard in other counties out of Northern Virginia they do that, especially down in the Virginia Beach area. However, in the Northern Virginia area, I don't sense that at all. There are a couple of circumstances where there is a huge penalty, and it's not because of the judges. There's a charge called refusal, which occurs when a person gets stopped for DWI and they don't take the required breath test, so they'll get a refusal. That offense has only one penalty, and that penalty is you lose your license for a whole year. If you choose to go to trial, they will continue to press for refusal. If you don't go to trial, they'll often drop the refusal. It puts this really, really strong motivation on someone to plead simply so they won't lose their license for a whole year. They would rather get a DWI and have a license than not to have a DWI and not to have a license. That's one example, and it's not because of the court, but rather because of the refusal charge. I think it's an unfortunate statute simply because of the penalty, not because a person refused to give a breath or blood sample. For more information and a free phone consultation, contact Geno Law Firm at 703-691-4366 or visit them on the web at genolaw.com.